Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add Google Search Console to your Squarespace website. Connecting Search Console helps us monitor our site's performance and visibility on Google. First, we open our browser. Once the browser is open, we go to squarespace.com. When we reach the main page, we log into our account. After logging in, we go to our mini profile and click Account Dashboard. Now we click this website. Once we are in our website settings, we look for the Settings option in the lower left part of the page and click Settings. On the left side, we will see Third-Party Tools. We click this option. Next, we navigate to Connected Accounts. If we see Disconnect Account, we click that and then click the Search Console option. A pop-up window will appear to log into our Gmail account. We log into our Gmail account. Click Continue for the information. We can select All to verify. Wait for a moment while it connects. Once it says Connected, we click this one and save. Now, we can go to this option, click this, and go to Google Search Console. Here, we will set our domain and website. We click their domain or website, enter it, and continue. That's it. Now we are connected to Google Search Console through Squarespace. Once it's connected, we can track search performance and improve our site's SEO more effectively.